Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this bed of red roses mixed media wall hanging. The supplies needed for this one are fabric squares I cut from a recycled t-shirt. Each square measures about 4 inches by 4 inches. Some are slightly smaller. Black gesso mixed with 25% water. Tweezers. Gloves to protect your hands. A plastic tray to form the roses, a canvas, any size. I'm demonstrating this technique on a small square canvas, but use any size canvas you want. The bigger the canvas, the heavier it will become though. I'll also be using small round beads. This is optional to fill in the empty spaces. To make the roses, dip a piece of fabric into the gesso mixture and saturate it and squeeze out the excess gesso. Place the soaked fabric on a plastic tray. Pinch the middle of the fabric with tweezers and twist the fabric to form the roses. Then place the formed roses onto the canvas as shown. Fill the canvas with roses or add as many as you desire. To fill the blank spaces left over, you can use small beads mixed with gesso, but this is optional. You don't really have to do that, but I like the way it looks. You'll have to allow the canvas to dry overnight. I'd say about 12 hours. The roses will dry super hard and be stuck to the canvas pretty well. Once the gesso is dried and hardened, I applied red acrylic paint to the raised surfaces of the roses with a makeup sponge. I applied 2 coats of red acrylic paint to brighten the results. You can choose any color. I chose red because red's my favorite color. Another option for this mixed media project is to use white gesso mixed with a little red to make a pink base color and then highlight it with white acrylic paint. I think this mixed media canvas art would look really lovely hanging in a powder room. And once everything's all dry, you can seal it with a matte varnish if desired. This is a pretty simple, unique piece of art, and I hope you try it. If you liked this project, please hit the like button and subscribe for more art projects. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.